When it comes to SEO and SEM, search engine optimization and search engine marketing, these are considered to be two different topics, two different chapters, two different branches of digital marketing by most of us. However, it is actually not so. Now, why do I say that? The answer is actually quite simple. Both SEO and SEM refer to two similar things, but in different contexts. Both SEO and SEM deliver the strategy of increasing your website's throughput and footprint, and very, very important ROI drivers for your business. But their role in a typical business will differ depending upon the stage of the business. For example, when you start the business, you want an immediate push. You want immediate traffic. You want immediate ROI. You start a new business. You introduce a new product. You introduce a new variant. You have a large festive season coming up. What do you do then? You will go for SEM, which is search engine marketing. This is a paid channel which can deliver you immediate joy. Immediate ROI can come in. It is a sort of a lead-focused or a sales-focused approach towards revenue. Now, what is SEO then? SEO cannot give you this kind of joy within minutes. But SEO is typically more organic. SEO approach is a slightly longer term approach. You want to invest and keep invested in SEO to deliver higher gains over a period of time. SEO can deliver you lasting effect, meaning if you get 100 customers coming to your website through SEO on a day-to-day basis, that remains stable over a period of time. Further, because SEO delivers organic leads or organic clicks or organic users, it improves your brand loyalty and trust. Because customers know that Google is ranking your keyword on top and your page is on top of that particular keyword, means that this site is a trustworthy website which is an authority in that domain. And that's why SEO is equally important. Typically, depending on the stage of the business, initially your SEM spends will be high. There will come a time when there will be a threshold or a tipping point between SEO spends and SEM spends. And over a period of time, the traffic that SEO generates should go higher and higher and higher till it settles down to something like this. And because SEO and SEM are so interrelated, they are called as conjoint twins. SEO and SEM cannot be thought of as separate branches of business. They have to talk to each other. They have to be thought together as one strategy rather than having two different teams focus on them. The kind of monies, investments that go into SEO and SEM should complement each other to deliver the best kind of ROI. For example, through SEO itself, if your keyword is ranking at number 4, does it make sense to put SEM, and what kind of monies do you spend on that is something that you need to look at in conjunction with intent and relevance framework. I hope this makes it easier and simpler for all of you to understand how does SEO and SEM interplay with each other. This is very critical as you are planning your marketing investments. Typically start planning these investments at a quarterly level, and at a quarter start, define targets for the SEO team that okay, these keywords I need to see an upward movement in the keyword ranking for by the end of the quarter. This helps you manage your SEM spends, because if you are spending $100 at the start of the quarter, I would ideally want to bring it to say 90 for those set of keywords. Yeah. So that is the way I would plan my investments and manage the transition from SEM-led to an SEO-led architecture, because that drives a lot of ROI and joy for my business. I hope this is clear and you can plan your marketing budgets accordingly. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.